Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is E, this is Single Mom's Life, and today we're going to be doing a clean with me. This is my kitchen, and this is what I'm going to straighten it up a little bit. It's not too bad or anything. I don't have that many dishes that I need to wash like I normally do. I just have to put a lot of dishes away. So we're going to put the dishes away, wash the few dishes that we do have, wipe down the counters, and clean the microwave, clean the stove off. And then also we're going to do a little straightening up in the living room. I'm going to wipe down my tables, my side tables, and also my TV stand. And I'm going to vacuum and sweep the floor. It's not too bad though. Anyway, so this is what we're going to be doing today. So I'm here to motivate you. You're here to motivate me. Let's motivate each other, and let's get this done. So come and clean with me. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to get started in the kitchen, and we're going to get everything done in the kitchen. Then once we get everything done in the kitchen, then we're going to move on to the living room. For some reason, when I start cleaning the kitchen, normally I like to get my dishwater ran first, and then after my dishwater is ran, then I like to get other stuff done. Also, I like to clean my sink. Are y'all like that as well? Do y'all make sure y'all sink is clean before y'all start washing the dishes? Leave me a comment and let me know if y'all clean y'all sink out as well before y'all start washing dishes. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to clean my sink out. And once my sink is clean, I'm going to run my water for my dishwater to wash my dishes. And while the water is running, I am putting away a ton of dishes. Once the dishes are put away, then I'm going to clean my countertops off. And I just normally use just a bleach cleaner to clean my countertops off. Right here, y'all, I was trying to figure out, like, why is there toys in the kitchen? There's toys all over the place. Like, my child has taken over the entire house with his toys. There's not a room in my house that does not have a toy in it. There's my baby Ryan. He is 3, and he is a handful, y'all. He's going to be making his debut appearance all through the video today. So I hope that doesn't bother y'all. But as a single parent, I mean, when kids are at home and the house needs to be clean, We got to get it done regardless, whether the kids are there or not. So he is definitely a little character, and y'all will see how he behaves, especially when the camera is around. Very interesting to watch. So I moved over to the other side of my counters. So I'm wiping those down, and also I'm going to wipe my stove down and clean my microwave out. So the last thing I'm going to do in the kitchen is I'm going to sweep. And once I get done sweeping the kitchen, then I'm going to move into the living room and start cleaning the living room. So now I have moved into the living room, and in the living room I am going to wipe my tables down, I'm going to sweep, I'm going to vacuum, I'm going to clean off my TV stand, and also I'm going to take my cover off of my couch to be washed, because with a toddler running around it tends to stay pretty dirty. Also, y'all, if y'all haven't noticed, my baby is staying pretty close to the camera. He's sitting literally like right there beside it. But y'all will see him a lot in the living room, moving around, jumping on the couch. He's even going to help me vacuum. And y'all will see all of that. Look at him, y'all. He is right there, like right there beside the camera, just trying to be in the camera. And if I told y'all how many times he bumped that camera running from the living room to the bedroom, man, it was at least 5 or 6 times that I had to cut out that part of the video moving, the camera moving, shaking. So now he sees the vacuum coming out, and look what he's trying to do. He wants to help Mama vacuum. Do y'all see this? This is too cute. Now he wants me to run over him with the vacuum. Y'all, I cannot make this stuff up. This is so what happens when I have my child at the house when I am trying to clean. He be right in the middle of everything. This is my oldest, Charles, coming through. He is 17, and yes, he is super tall. He's like 6'3", y'all. So I'm done in the living room, and now I am moving into the laundry room. I'm fixing to put a load of laundry on. And then once I get a load of laundry on, then I'm going to start folding clothes. So now I have moved into my bedroom, and I am folding laundry, and also I am putting the laundry away. And once all of that is done, I will be done cleaning for the evening. So here I am putting everything away in the closet, my towels, and all of my clothes that needs to be hung up. Okay, I'm all done cleaning for today. I have came in, I have done the kitchen, I've done the living room, I've put some clothes in the laundry, I've taken clothes out of the laundry, I folded some clothes and put some clothes away. I've done a lot and I'm tired. I'm a little, I think I done sweated my hair out a little bit. But anyway, so we are done cleaning for the evening. I had came in from work. I started cleaning. I got the living room clean. I wiped my tables down. I wiped my TV stand down. I vacuumed. I swept. And I am washing the cover that goes on my couch. It's in the washer now. And my little man, he was helping, but in the way all at the same time. So sometimes it's easier to clean when he is not here. Then I can get uninterrupted cleaning done. So we also got the kitchen cleaned. We wiped the countertops down. We washed a few dishes. We cleaned the stove and we cleaned the microwave. And I am done for the evening. So please leave me a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. And I thank y'all so much for watching me, and I thank y'all as well for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, and y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.